Hello friends, most welcome to my YouTube channel GYAN JAGRAN Coaching Center. Please my channel like, share, comment and subscribe. Some question decimals. Book by R.S. Agrawal. Question 1. Subtract 28.65 from 73. Solution. Converting the given decimals. Converting the given decimal into like decimals we get 28.65 and 73.00. Writing them in column. Form with the larger one at the top and subtracting we get 73.00 28.65 5 3 4 or 4. Hence 73 minus 28.65 is equal to 44.35. It is a right answer. Next questions. Next question 2. To simplify five 3.5 minus 34.68 plus 64.75 minus 28.9. Solution. Converting the given decimals. Converting the given decimals into like decimals and adding and subtracting as shown alongside alongside the given expression is equal to 53.50 minus 34.68 plus 64.75 minus 28.9 is equal to 53.50 plus 64.75 minus 34.68 plus 28.90 is equal to 118.25 minus 63.58. 63.58 is equal to 54.67. 54.67, it is a right answer. Five zero 64.75 plus 118.25 and 34.68 plus 28.90 63.58 118.25 minus 63.58 is equal to 54.67. 54.67, it is right answer.